Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Paw Patrol karate lesson today. Now in this karate lesson, we're going to be practicing some axe kicks, okay? Now before we get started today, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos, okay? Now also, make sure you stick to the very end of the video because if you are interested in learning from me online with your parents' permission, you guys can join our 6-week program. But for now, let's get started with the lesson. Haven't faced here, shut it yet? Can ya? Awesome job, you guys. Okay, now here's what we're gonna start with today. So here's how we're gonna warm up. I want you guys to go ahead and take one foot, step it out like this, and we're gonna bend our knees and hold a horse stance, just like this. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're gonna practice putting our feet together and then doing a horse stance on the other side. We're gonna go on both sides today, okay? Does that make sense? Can you guys say yes, sir? Awesome, all right, hands out like this. Stepping this way first, everyone say horse stance. Good, and back. Good, now stepping this way, horse stance. Good job, you guys, and back. Good, and horse stance. Good, and back. Good, horse stance. Good, and back. 2 more times, horse stance. Good, and back. 1 more, ready, horse stance. And back. Awesome job, you guys. Okay, now this time, we're gonna practice doing a punch on both sides. So I'm gonna take one hand like this. Good, keep the other hand tight to your rib cage. We're gonna tuck this foot like here. Now, once we do that, we're going to step out, throw a punch down here. Okay, let's try it together. Ready? Everyone take your right hand, aim, other hand on the rib cage, tuck it like this, and punch. Good, nice. Now we're gonna come back, and this time we're gonna go this way, pick up this leg here, and step out, punch. Good, nice. Come being back up here, picking up this leg, step out, punch. Good, nice. Picking up here, stepping up this leg, and punch. Good, 1 more, you guys. Ready? Coming right up here, pick up this leg, and punch. Nice, very good job, you guys. High fives. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's work on axe kick. Now, an axe kick is a move where you use your heel and you swing your foot up and down. Just like that. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's practice that axe kick together. Hands up like this. Now, here's the thing. If you can't kick that high yet, it's okay. Start low and work your way up, okay? You will only get better the more you practice, okay? So let's practice it together. Hands up here. Good, ready. Everyone show me axe kick. Good, nice job, you guys. Axe kick. Good, good. Axe kick. Good, good. Axe kick. Good, nice. 2 more. Axe kick. Good, nice. 1 more. Axe kick. Good job, you guys. Now let's switch legs. Switch. Awesome. All right, hands right up here. Let's do the other leg this time. Ready? Axe kick. Good. Nice job, you guys. Axe kick. Good, good. Axe kick. Good. 2 more. Axe kick. Good. 1 more. Axe kick. Awesome job, you guys. All right, we're going to play a little game, okay? Here's what I want you guys to do. On the count of 3, you and all the other boys and girls around the world are going to axe kick my hand. Now, when you axe kick my hand, when I count to 3, okay, I want you guys to swing your leg up and down as hard as you can. Does that make sense? Okay, all right, I'm gonna stick up my hand like this. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, axe kick. Oh, ow. You guys hit really hard. Ready? Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, axe kick. Oh. Man, you guys are very, very strong. All right, let's do it 2 more times. Ready? 1, 2. Wait, don't kick yet. I didn't say 3. Okay, don't kick right away. Wait till I say go. Ready? Don't do it. Not yet. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, axe kick. Nice, good job, you guys. High fives. Awesome, awesome work. All right, I'm facing here. Shut it yet? Can ya? Awesome, awesome job, you guys. You guys did a fantastic job. Now, with your parents' permission, if you'd like to learn from me for the next 6 weeks and meet my friend Dojo, come over here, Dojo. Awesome. So if you guys want to meet my friend Dojo and learn from me for the next 6 weeks, with your parents' permission, click the link down below and we'll get you guys started. Everyone facing up here, shut it yet? Can ya? Good job, you guys. See you all later. Bye-bye.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confidence, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week, the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along the progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.